Okay, here's another product review.
Okay, here's another amazing product review. SK9, my recent most favorite portable sound card. So here we go. Okay, let's begin with noise cancelling performance. Let's evaluate this. All right, it's actually a one button activated type over here, right? Down here, right? And you can see from my poster, right on the top, right, it stated that to indicate to you, the user, right, it has this noise suppression, and it's a button activated type. So let me deactivate this by the push of a button. Okay, I believe there will be a background noise now, and you can hear the fan blowing in the background, right? So let me on it back with just one touch button here. Okay, it's much more improved, right? I believe. I'm going to review this video later on to determine that, but for now, I can, the audio, right? There is no noise, the background noise at all. Okay, next will be the sound effects, right? From the poster, you can see there is a total of 14 different sound effects, all lined up right here in the front. Okay, let me demo.
What?
We are the superstars, superstars are we.
Okay, so you get the point. It's actually very fun, right? Especially when you're going to use it during your live stream to to engage your viewers. So next will be the volume control is actually on the side panel, and the reverb is on the opposite side here, this side. So if you want to mute it, right, so you just reduce the mic volume right to 0. I believe, okay, there's some more. Okay, that's how you mute your mic. And the reverb part is on this side. And you actually have to activate the different voice mode to the KTV mode. So there are 4 different 4 KTV mode. So let's activate it. Okay, that's KTV 1 now. So let's turn on the reverb. Right, it would be very useful for someone that is an entertainer and you are actually a singer or musician. So you'll be using most of this, right? Well, anyway, I'm not an entertainer. I'm sorry. So I'm more of a, of a marketer. So this is not really, relevant to my, during my content creation. So I'm going to revert back to the voice mode. Okay, either you off your reverb or you can change the voice mode. Okay. Right. So that it is very simple, right? Okay. Next, I'm going to talk about how can you actually have fun, doing your KTV or even when you want to record it during your live streaming, right? And you're going to be a singer, right? So you will need at least 2 phones. This one, the recording phone that you are seeing right now, right in front of me here, right? You will connect it with using the cable that is provided in the whole package when you buy at this price, okay? And the other set of phone, which you will turn on your KTV app, right? Okay, it will be Bluetooth to the sound card. Okay, so if you cannot remember that, just replay my video, right? To follow this instruction. So you need 2 phones, right? So you will get the whole thing going on, right? And you can actually record down your performance. And then last but not least would be what comes with this, right? With the auxiliary that comes with the sound card, right? It is very modern design. It's very lightweight. You can carry anywhere. and they have actually provide you a very slick, splash-proof type of carrying case. And with that, I have actually bought the 2 units of mic type of package, right? With a short mic, looks more professional, I think. And this one, the clip-on mic, right? And the other one will be 3 pieces of cable. Definitely will be Type-C. However, they don't have the iPhone type, or unless you buy, specifically choose the other package. Because this is my Android phone, I'm using a Xiaomi phone. All right, I will give you a bonus tip at the back if you are a Xiaomi user, because there's something you have to take note about the connector, right? And also the earpiece. The earpiece is actually about 2 meters long. All right, this whole entire thing only costs less than $28 right now. So go and grab it. Right, the link is my affiliated link. Right, is at the bottom of this video. And when you make a purchase, right, you are actually your show of support to my channel. I will be making a small commissions over there, right? And okay, lastly, right, to add, right, if you are actively seeking using the internet, actively trying to seek out on the internet, or even learn how to use the AI, right, to create multiple sources of online income, right? Don't forget to follow me, right? Because I conduct my live stream about twice weekly, right? And in my live stream, right, I will discuss intensively with you the long-term strategy, right, of trying to use the internet, right, to create multiple sources of inline income. And especially that if you are trying to sell someone else's product, right, there are certain things that you, right, need to take note of if you want to do it and safeguard your interest as an affiliate marketer, which a lot of beginners, right, if you are not in the digital marketing space, you only learn about TikTok marketing, right? Unfortunately, many coaches and trainers don't teach you this secret, right? However, as a digital marketer, right, in my live stream, I actually teach about this. So do join me in my next live stream, right? I will see you in my next video, right? So happy content creation, and I wish you success in creating multiple sources of income. Oops, I forgot. I just realized that I promised you a bonus tip, right? If you are a Xiaomi phone user. So if your series of the phone is actually like, series 13 and below, which is a Redmi Note and 13 series and below, right? Do take note that the charging port, right, which is a Type-C connector charging port, right, is not meant for data transfer. So when you use your sound card, right, when you plug it below, it's just a charging for your sound card or maybe your mic or things like that, your gadgets, right? So when you activate your noise suppression or maybe your sound effects over here, right, it will not be recorded, because if you connect below, it's just a charging. They will not do the data transfer over to your Xiaomi phone. Okay, please take note of that. So what is the walk around solution? Then if you notice, if you are in this series of Xiaomi phone like mine, right, and on the top, right, there is actually this. Right, this connector, which is also provided in the package, when you buy the SK9, right, Soundcard, it be connected on the top of the phone, right, and everything will be working normally for you now. So this is my bonus tip for you. If you are using a Xiaomi lower tier, lower series type of Xiaomi phone, the higher tier don't have this problem. Okay, please take note. So I will see you in my next video.